First of all, just tell me where you're from.
I am from Mexico City. When we were in Mexico making the decision to come to Canada, first went to Montreal for 8-9 months. We were there. We were younger, excited about the adventure and the opportunities that will come. We went back to Mexico. I began studying my master's degree and we went to London. I studied there my PhD. Went to the US. I got a position in a private university. From the US, I went to Waterloo.
Yes.
So I worked at Wilfrid Laurier University over there. And then from there, I went to Hong Kong. I'm from Hong Kong.
Now you ended up here.
Now we got here.
So you've lived many places in Canada.
Yes.
And is Chilliwack the best? I asked you straight up.
Oh, straight up, I love it.
Get those sides met together?
In a way.
In a way. You're very diplomatic. That's very good.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm gonna fold it here and on the top. And
That
it's ready.
looks beautiful.
I came to the University of the Fraser Valley. The time that I applied, I was living in Hong Kong. I wanted to come back. That was during the pandemic. Family was here.
Yes.
Politically wise, it was complicated. And the pandemic, that was the one that it's like pushed me away from there. Like,
Is that you don't eat the corn husk?
no. No. So like, we're not
It's like,
cows.
gotta eat this corn
You know,
husk?
like cattle do it. But not us, not at
So
all.
it's just used to cook it.